is the Velvet Party in Munich, and I'm with Panasonic, who today unveiled its FZ-G1 Touchpad rugged Windows 8 tablet. Could you talk us through some of the main key features of the new device?
Yeah, sure. So basically that's our FZ-G1, our Windows 8 Toughpad. Basically what it has is a high resolution outdoor display or retina outdoor display. It has 224 ppi, so it gives you quite a high resolution, paired with outdoor capabilities, which are a high brightness display with 800 nits and a low reflection rate, which comes down to 4%. So that display is ideal to use on daylight, outside, on the move. On top of this, we are talking here about a rugged device. It has a good proper magnesium frame, which gives you the protection you need in the field. You have the corner guards, which are out of elastomer, reducing the impact shock and standing out a little bit. In matter of fact, you can drop the device on the corner guards, and it's basically the corner guards absorbing the drop, and the device is not falling as maybe other devices on its glass itself. That's a big technology jump we're doing here. In terms of specification, we have here an Intel Ivy Bridge ULV incorporated with 1.9 GHz, so quite a strong CPU, which gives you sufficient graphic and performance. You have here the function buttons, which are programmable, which can allow you to quickly navigate in the fields throughout your applications. On top of the screen, you have here the webcam and the ambient light sensor for automatically regulate backlight if you like. When I look at the bottom of the device, you see here the docking connector. It's a proper business bottom docking connector, which allows you quickly to dock in and dock out this device. Here, optional, you were able to incorporate a dual outdoor, a dual external antenna connector, so you can route GPS or 3G out of the device. Always there, important wherever you want to mount that in vehicle, cars, and somewhere else. On the top of the device, you see here first of all the fan, which is rugged and completely water sealed. But here on the top we have the so-called configuration port. Now it's equipped with SD card, but optionally you can incorporate a second USB 3.0 SD card, barcode reader, as well as serial port or LAN. So that gives you the ultimate of flexibility which our customer want and deserve. On the side of the device, you see the standard ports, which are the power plug, USB, and an HDMI port. It's also with that sealed door. It's protected against dust and water ingress. On the back of the device, you see here we have a high quality back cam with a dual LED flash. Allows you also in dark environment to make good high quality pictures. And a big space is taking the battery, because with the standard 6-cell battery we want to provide the customer 8 hours one shift battery life. On an optional base, you can even incorporate a high capacitive battery with 9-cell, which brings you up to 17 hours if needed. Finally, also here, standard digitizer pan is attached to the device, and this digitizer pan allows you to operate in the field. It has 256 different pressure levels. It allows you high and precise data input and navigation, and also electronic signature is possible on a high level of legal binding degree and level. So all in one, that's our business solution which we're offering and which will come out by the end of February, beginning of March.
And can I just check what the thickness and the weight?
So we're talking here about 1.1 kilogram. So basically, it's a device which you're comfortable can hand in one hand, and the thickness, I must say, I not have the specs present here, but it's also rather comfortable, and you also can comfortably grab it in one hand if needed.
Cool. Thank you very much.
Welcome. Pleasure.